questions 1 through 10 on the 2014 Grade 8 Gauss Math Contest. The number 10101 is equal to, well, we have 10,101. That's obviously 10,000 plus 100 plus 1, right? If you were to do it like a simple addition question. And of the answer choices, 10,000 plus 100 plus 1 is choice D, right there. 1 scoop of fish food can feed 8 goldfish. How many goldfish can 4 scoops of fish food feed? So we have 1 scoop can feed 8. So we want 4 scoops, and they want to know how many goldfish can you feed with that. So if you cross multiply, you get x is equal to 4 times 8, and therefore x is equal to 32. So number 2, the answer is E. The value of 2014 minus 2013 times 2013 minus 2012 is 2014 minus 2013, and then multiply that by 2013 minus 2012. So the first one is 1, the second one is 1, so we have 1 times 1, which is just 1. So number 3, the answer is B. In a right-angled triangle, the measure of one angle is 55 degrees. The measure of the smallest angle in this triangle is. Well, let's draw a little triangle, and one is obviously a right angle, this one. And they're saying one angle is 55. What's the other one? Well, the sum of the angles of any triangle are 180. So x plus 55 plus 90 is 180. So solving this, you get x is equal to 35. And therefore, number 4, the answer is D. Which of the following is closest to 0? We draw a number line, and then on this number line, let's label these with the 0 being right here. Minus 1101, somewhere out here. Minus 1010. A little bit further to the right, and then minus 1001 is here, and then the plus 1110 would be here, and the plus 1011 would be there. So the one that's closest is obviously this guy, because it's only within 1001 of the 0, whereas the other one would be 1011, which is obviously a larger number. So the distance from that number to there is 1001, but the distance from here to here is 1011, and this is the smallest number of those two. So therefore, number 5, the answer is D. The value of y that satisfies the equation 5y minus 100 is equal to 125 is. Well, put the 100 on the other side, and that gives you 225, and then divide through by 5, and when you do, you get 45. So therefore, y is equal to 45. Number 6, the answer is A. How many prime numbers are there between 10 and 30? Well, here's 10, here's 30. Let's list all the odd numbers first, because remember, a prime is always odd, the only exception being 2. That's the only even prime number. So all I have to do is just list the odd numbers between 10 and 30, and then we can figure out which one of those is prime. So we got 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, and 29. Okay. 11, I believe, is prime. 13 is prime. 15 is divisible by 3, so not a prime. 17 prime, 19 prime. 21 divisible by 3, not a prime. 23, 25 divisible by 5, not a prime. 27 divisible by 3, not a prime. 29 is prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So number 7, the answer is C. The perimeter of the isosceles triangle shown is 53. The value of x is. So the perimeter is 53. So if this is x and this is isosceles based on the question, then that's x also. So we have x plus 11 is equal to 53. So therefore 2x is equal to 42, and therefore x is equal to 21. So number 8, the answer is B. Consider the fractions ordered from smallest to largest the set is. We've got 3 over 7, 3 over 2, 6 over 7, and 3 over 5. We can just do approximates. 3 over 7, it's less than a half, so it's approximately 4. 3 over 2, that's 1.5, so that's going to be, well, 1.5. 6 over 7, approximately a little less than 1, so maybe 0.8, 0.9, somewhere around there. 0.85 maybe. And then 3 over 5, well, that's 0.6. I know that. Okay, smallest to largest. So the smallest looks like it's a 3 over 7, and then 3 over 5, and then 6 over 7, and then the largest is 3 over 2. So of the answer choices, the one that matches is this guy. Choice A for number 9. The ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in a class of 24 is 3 to 5. How many fewer girls than boys are in the class? G over B is equal to 3 over 5 according to this question. And they also tell me that G plus B, the number of girls and boys, is 24. Well, that means that 24 minus B is G. We can substitute that into here. 24 minus B over B is equal to 3 over 5. Cross multiply, you get 3B is equal to 120 minus 5B. And therefore we have 8B is equal to 120. B is equal to 15. Substitute it back into here, and G is equal to 24 minus 15, which is equal to 9. So there's 15 boys and 9 girls, so there's 6 fewer girls. If you were to read that final sentence, how many fewer girls than boys? 6 fewer, if you compare the number of boys to the number of girls. So number 10, the answer is D.